understand few examples, children. Say I am having some like 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. Okay. If you have the irrational part same, then they are the like sets, right? So to know about it, let us first understand about the addition. What you are going to do it's like 5a plus 8a. What is the answer in the algebra? 5a plus 8a?
13a.
13a. We don't write at 13a square. No, we have 13a. It's like 5 apple plus 8 apple. So that is 13 apple. Right? So in a similar manner, as we have this in the algebra while solving the algebraic expressions. So 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3 is written as 5 plus 8 times root 3, that is 13 root 3. Is it clear? But if you don't have this similar, then you need to solve it. If it comes out to be similar parts, you can only add similar, or you can say the like sets. Okay. Now let us go towards some little higher difficult one. Suppose I have examples like 7 times 48 minus root 27 minus root 3. Children, please take down these sums. I'll tell you what it is. It's your question number 6 of exercise 2.3, the first one. Orders may change of all the sums, whatever I do, but definitely will complete all the sums from the given exercise. So let us see the other sum. Now children, at first glance, you'll see यहाँ पे root 3 है, यहाँ पे root 27, here root 48. Nothing, it seems to be similar. कुछ like surds नहीं लगता है, but it is not in the reduced form. So we will try to it 48 के factors निकालो. Now children, this is the rough work. What I am doing, that you need not show. It is not a part of your sum. This is done in rough. Sometimes by practice we can directly write down orally also. Okay. But for a beginner, मैं लिख के दिखा रही हूँ. So these are my factors of 48. So then this is equal to 7 times. Now 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Right? I have written all the factors. Now as it is, the order is 2. I have to make a pairs of 2 only. Correct? Then 27, can you write down orally? 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Correct? And then minus root 3. So, 7, this is 2, one time 2 came out, the second time 2 came out. What remains inside? 3. Is this part clear? We are doing for the first time.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
All the things you are going to write down in the form of factors if it is not the reduced form type of search. Okay? You are going to write down and you are going to take out whatever things are coming out. So when it is 2 times here, one time it will come out, from here also one time it will come out. Now these 3 I am not having any pen, so that will remain here only, right? So from here 1 3 will come out, right? And this is unchanged. Any question in this? So this is very first sum where we are doing the, then almost in all the sums we are going to do this. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Children, if it is cube root लिखा होता तो third order का surds होता तो the things which are coming 3 times will come out 1 time out, right? So you have to be clear about it. So 7 twos are 14, 14 twos are 28, 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus root 3. Correct? Now how it looks like? All are having root 3, root 3, root 3 as a irrational part, isn't it? So it's a like surds. So we can add it. So how will you do? 28 minus 3 and minus what here? What I should write here? It is 1 time root 3, na? So I should write down 1. See, when you open the bracket, it is giving this 1 into root 3, root 3. Correct? So 28 minus 3 is 25 and then minus 1 still. So it comes out to be 24. So 24 root 3 is the answer. Is it clear? Any query in this? So children, we should know about this simplification. We completed 3 questions in practice set 2.3. As we understood now the importance that we need to do the reduction in the further sums, let us solve some sums where you have to simplify the surds. So question number 4 of practice set 2.4 is about the simplifying the surds. Okay, so we will see that. हाँ बोलो बोलो यहाँ पे ना what do you mean by root 3? If I write 0 here, यहाँ का अगर मैं 0 लिखूंगी तो 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एनीथिंग इज 0. तो अगर रूट 3 लिखना है तो मैं 1 इंटू रूट 3 लिख सकती हूँ. राइट, एनीथिंग मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 गिव्स यू द सेम नंबर ना. तो मैं यहाँ पे रूट 3 को 1 रूट 3 लिख सकती हूँ, 1 इंटू रूट 3. तो फिर उसमें से ये 1 कॉमन आ गया. समझा? ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू डू इट दिस वे. व्हेन इट इज रूट 3 मतलब क्या? रूट 3 1 टाइम तो है ना. व्हेन आई से 7 टाइम दिस व्हाट इज दिस 7 टाइम इट इज रिटन ना. When I say 7 root 2 means it is root 2 written 7 times. Okay, addition में. So let us go ahead now. We'll do some simplification. Children, first question completed. Second question, third question is pending. Question number 3. Question number 3, classify. First and second is over na. Full entire question.
No, ma'am. In question number 3, second, third, and fourth was given as home.
So, so this question number 3 is completed na. That means.
Yes.
So we discuss about like surds and unlike surds. That is done na. So we are on the right question na. Question number 4 page. Now I'll go. So now let us go towards question number 4. So in the question number 4, simplify the following surds.
Question number
I just gave the importance of why to simplify the search. What is the need? So for that I taken 2 example from question number 6. I'll go slowly to question number 6 again. Okay, and then I will not do these 2 sums. I will do another sum. Clear? Okay, question number 4. Simplify the following search. Now in that, let me take one example. I'll take third example. It is square root of 250. Children, in all the sums, mostly you see the square root is only there. Cube root, fourth root नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, so I'll take any sum. What is your duty? First to write down in the form of multiplication. So factorize 250. 250 को factor. This is the rough work. Okay, this is the rough work. So you have divide by 2. Come on, find the factors. चलो करो, आप लोग करो. टू 250 का आधा 125, right? Now 125 cannot be divisible by 2 now. We have to take off 3 से जाएगा 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8. नहीं 3 से भी नहीं जाएगा. So 5. 25 5s are 125. And then 5 5s are 25. And 5 1s are 5. So what are the factors came here? 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Everyone can write in this manner. अभी as it is a square root, जो भी terms दो बार आई है वो एक बार बाहर निकल सकती है. So here I am having one pair 5 into 5. ये 5 है बस की कोई pair नहीं है. Okay, so that I cannot take. I will just take 1 5 out. What will remain inside? 2 5s are 10. So this becomes the answer of it. Okay? चलो एक और sum practice करते हैं. Let me take 5th sum and then remaining 3 will be the homework. Square root of 168. Now square root of 168. What I am going to do? Factorize 168. Divide by 2. 84. Right? Now again divide by 2. 42. 42 again divide by 2. 21. And 21 is 3 sevens are. So I can write this as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Correct? अभी जोड़ी बनाएंगे. ये एक ही है और कुछ है? No, the 2 is one time, 3 is also one time, and 7 also one time. So this is equal to, I will take only one time 2 out. 2 into 3 into 7 रह गए ना अंदर. ये बाहर आ गया. आप लोगों को ये क्लियर समझ रहा है ना? जो पैर में आएगा वो एक बार बाहर आएगा. And the remaining will be there only. So answer will be, now you multiply 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42. So this is what is the reduced form. Okay, let us go ahead. So question 4. Other sums are homework. Yes, Bhargavi. Now first, second and fourth sum is homework. First, second and fourth sum homework. Now let us go towards comparison of the surds. You can compare the surds only when you have that irrational The squaring also proper. We can do the comparison because when a and b are two real numbers, then we know that either they are equal or one is greater than the other. So let us learn about the comparison of the surds. So let us take the example. I'll take the exercise example and I will teach you that. I hope this is over. Question number 5, which talks about the comparison. So let us take very first example, 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. Now children, as we are still not knowing much value about the irrational number, what is the value of root 2, what is the value of root 3 exactly, as it is irrational number ना, एंडलेस डिवीजन है, तो अब इसमें से कौन सा बड़ा होगा, 7 इंटू रूट 2 बड़ा होगा कि 5 इंटू रूट 3 बड़ा होगा, becomes a question. So how to solve it? I'll just tell you. If they have their order same, then I can say. So I have to try. I'm trying to make the order same. Now children, this is little trick. So please everyone pay attention here. What I am going to do. 7. अगर in the last sums, what we observed that whatever was coming 2 times in the radical sign used to come 1 time out, है ना, ऐसा कुछ होता था, उसका क्या आंसर आता था, ऐसा आंसर आता था, जो 2 बार आया वो 1 बार बाहर आया, isn't it? So अभी इसका exactly उल्टा करेंगे. ये 7 है ना, 7 उसको है ना रेडिकल साइन के अंदर जाना है, तो क्या होगा, ये देखो, जिसको बाहर आया वो अगर अंदर था तो अंदर वो कैसे फॉर्म में था, डबल था, 2 times. This 5 was also 2 times. When it was 2 times inside the radical sign, it comes out once outside the radical sign. ठीक है. So ये 7 को अगर रेडिकल साइन में जाना तो वो क्या बन जाएगा, करेक्ट, you will have here 7 into 7 और ये root 2 तो है ही, okay, that is there, no problem. So you have 7 into 7 plus root 2. ये 5, if this 5 wanted to go inside the radical side, how it will be, 5 into 5, of course this root 2 is there, correct. So now I can children multiply, this will be like 7 into 7 into 2 and this is like 5 into 5 into 3, okay. So you can directly write down from this step to this step that this is one number and this is another number. So this is this. This is nothing but this. Now 7 sevens are 49. 49 twos are 98. Correct? And here 5 fives are 25 and 25 threes are 75. Correct? Any doubts still here? Now children, just tell me one thing. What is the relationship between 4 and 9? 4 is smaller than 9. Correct? Observe this. Now tell me what is the square root of 4? 2. What is the square root of 9? 3. What is the relation between 2 and 3? So can I write this sign here also? So when 4 is less than 9, root 4 is less than root 9. See, is the argument clear to you? Are you able to follow this argument?
Yes, miss.
So, here there are two numbers, square root of 98 and square root of 75. I know, children, that 98 is bigger than 75. Right? So, what will you can say about their square roots? So, that means square root of 98 will be bigger than square root of 75. है ना? But what is this? Square root of 98 is nothing but 7 root 2. इससे ऊपर ही आया था, this both were equal ना? So this is bigger than see, is the things clear in your mind? क्या करना है क्या नहीं? ओके, क्लियर? अभी सेकेंड सम है ना, एकदम इजी हो जाएगा. देखो इसके ऊपर से सेकेंड सम देखो, वेरी इजी. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 247 एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 274. What argument we will say? 247 is smaller than 274 and therefore square root of 247 is less than square root of 274.